70,000. Check the entry. Check the entry, guys. 65,000 running. Oh, 70,000 from a 5,000 deposit. The new updated version, the scalper, is doing the most. Doing the most, guys. I think I'm gonna close now. So if you want to get the new version, hit me up. Then we'll sort you out. Oh, 100,000. 100,000, please. Okay. Alright. Alright. As you can see, guys, the seller scalper did the most there. 26,000 from 5,000 as always. Let's take it to 100,000. Then I think I'll sleep. Still early. Let me keep downloading this money. 120,000 running, guys, from just 5,000 deposit. Check the entries. Oh, check that entry. This robot is too much. If you are a person who's busy on the road, just like me, don't have time to do the trading, get the automated bot. We're running on a real account as always. I'm closing. I've been traveling to Devon, guys. Couldn't trade, but the robot did what it had to do. We have 70,000 running there. Done for a Friday. Check the entry. This robot is too much. Check this out, guys. Check those buys. We've killed it today, and it's still going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. 150,000 now. Check the deposit. Live in action, guys. Shit. Damn. 160,000. I'm done with the estate for today. I'm thinking, okay. We don't do demo here, my guy. We don't do demo here. Check where the stop loss is, right under the entries. Then after that, it went all the way up. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna have to close my trades now. I'll go live later.